Creating beautiful furniture designs gains even more value when you can share them and engage others in the creative process. EasyForm Studio offers powerful web publishing capabilities to showcase and customize your designs online. To prepare your project for web interaction, organize materials into groups. Each board's material can belong to one of 5 groups or none. If assigned to none, web users cannot change the material. For interactive elements, assign boards to groups, front 1, front 2, etc. Customize how each group will be labeled on the web, e.g. upper fronts, lower fronts. This grouping system serves 2 valuable purposes: allows customers to modify specific parts of the design on the web, helps you quickly modify your design while working in Blender for bulk material changes. Use the material assignment feature in material preview mode. Simply click on a group, e.g. in our front 1, choose a material, and all boards in that group will update simultaneously. These changes will appear in both web publications and board exports. Publishing your model online. To share your design, navigate to the EAPS tab, select Web Publish. Name your project, save your file, click Publish. Your model becomes accessible online via a unique URL that you can share with clients, colleagues, or manufacturers. Customize the interactive experience with these options. Animate doors and drawers. Enable users to open and close cabinet doors and drawers by clicking icons. Light on, off. If you've used EFS Light, users can simulate lighting changes. Enable material selection. Allow users to modify the appearance of your model through the paint icon. For comprehensive customization, create clearly labeled material groups. Front 1, lower fronts, front 2, upper fronts, front 3, worktop. Assign each board to its appropriate category and set default materials for when users first enter the editor. The complete list of material codes is available by clicking the Material Codes button. With these features, your clients can interactively design furniture directly in their web browser, choosing from your pre-selected material options while maintaining the structural integrity of your design. This concludes our tutorial on EasyForm Studio. To stay updated with new features and techniques, subscribe on YouTube and follow our social media channels on Instagram, X, and TikTok for new videos, how-to guides, and news.